What is up, YouTube Chess here, and today I'm here with Firat.
Hi there.
What's up? So, what did you play today, and how did you perform?
Well, I played Bystial Control at the Thalwil regional, and I won first place, undefeated. I just had one draw, and yeah, I don't want to talk about that draw. Yeah, I mean, it worked pretty well. And without further ado, let's get straight into the deck profile. I'll show
Go.
you. So for the pistols, the best ones, obviously as a playset. The reason why I just won one of the less good ones is because Kashtira is meta, and it's not that great to have them in the hand. But yeah, there are still a lot of light and dark decks, so drawing into them is still very good
Yeah.
because of branded, mathmag, whatever. So that's for the pistols. Then for the one card starter, that's really amazing is Firat. Not just the starter, can also add back Luberian, or the cool thing is if you open it with Saranir, you can send Saranir to search Magna. Saranir will foolish your Lubelian, and sometimes they will imperm this or ash this, depends what they have. Then you can just Saranir, send Lubelian still, link it off, effect, add it back to hand, discard, search, yeah, Magnum. You still get to your Magnum, so yeah, no worries. That's why Firat is amazing. Then the small Chaos Baby Dragons, because of Chaos Space. Luberian is also because of Chaos Space. And yeah, they're still amazing. And other normal summon that I played was Black Matter Dragon. Was pretty good, yeah, because that's also one card combo to end on Seal Pass. I know, Seal Pass, but Seal Pass is strong. It's very strong. So, and my target for Seal was, because with just Seal it's just one interruption, but with this target it's 3 interruptions with Albas. The reason is, if they have like a light monster on the field, you can fusion it away, Super Poly with Albas. And don't worry about your discard, because you draw a lot with Chaos Space or Regain, so you have always a lot of hand cards. You can discard, summon Albion, and then effect Albion, you banish the Seal and the Albas from your grave to special summon Mirror Jade, or the Striker Dragon if it's still in your graveyard. And yeah, with Mirror Jade, you have still a legal target. The reason why Lubelian also is because of Labyrinth, because they don't really summon anything from the extra deck and no light monsters, so I wanted to outlay the Labyrinth with without targeting it, so yeah, that's why I played Luberian too. Then yeah, it's 3 card interruptions. Oh, the also cool thing is, if I get Nibiru on Seal, if I try to Seal and end on another link, then Nibiru me, Seal special summons this, I Super Poly away his Nibiru, summon Albion, banish the either Striker Dragon or Seal with Albas for Mirror Jade. Then I still have his Nibiru token, so I link this to off for any generic link 2. End phase, Albion sends me branded beast. So I got Nibiru, and I have Mirror Jade interruption, branded beast, and the generic link 2. I will show you which link 2, but yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that's insane Seal target. Then for the branded spells, I played 2 Regained, 1 Branded Beast. I can explain why 2 Regained, because I wanted to see it in my hand, starting hand. Because the Reborn is soft once per turn. It's each per copy. Once per chain, but that doesn't matter, because if they summon one monster, you reborn like, I don't know, Magnamus, Searching End Phase. If they summon another one, you got Baldrake, Druid, Saranir, whatever. And the cool thing is, they are big monsters, so some decks really struggle against big beat sticks. So yeah.
Nice.
Then Chaos Space, obviously very broken card. Love it. Then for the hand traps, played 3 Nib in the main, Psyframe Gamma package, Ash, Vader, Imperm. The reasoning is, I was afraid of the zone lock. If they try to zone lock me, just Nibiru and you win. Also Sprite, because if you have any combination of these hand traps with Nibiru, you break the Sprite board, because just you can negate Gigantic, or if they did more than 5 summons because of sprint play and have red on field, just Nibiru, negate the red, negate the red, negate the red. Or you can just do this on Gigantic. If they want to negate it with red, just Nibiru them. So yeah, loved it. Yeah, no. And also is because of their lights, because of Chaos Space, and if they get sent to my graveyard, I have always a Bystial target. If I have a matchup like Traptrix that doesn't play any light or darks. So yeah. And also, yeah, Gamma is the best hand trap because I always try to bait their hand traps like Droll,
Yeah.
Shifter, or Ash because of Chaos Space and Safert, because Safert sends itself to the graveyard as cost, so I have no monsters on the field, and then they usually Ash me there or Droll me after that, then Gamma, yeah, bye bye.
Nice.
Chaos Space. They like to Ash Chaos Space. I can understand because it sends one card from my hand to the graveyard, so I lose 2 hand cards against Ash. But then Gamma saves the day.
Yes.
Yeah. So main deck 41 was amazing. I don't know if I want to change anything. It felt pretty good. Then to my extra deck, I played Access Code. Still a very strong and good monster. Unicorn. Just to summon in his turn with IP. Dark, obviously generic, very good. Lambda. The reason is I play Gamma. I love Gamma. And if I have Gamma in my hand and I couldn't use it, then it's annoying if I have a dead card in my hand. So I wanted to summon this. It's generic, so you can. Wait. Yeah, it's generic, so I don't tell anything wrong. So you can, depending on your hand cards and on seal, and then also summon this, so your Gamma is always live, and that's very strong. If I don't have Gamma, the thing is, with Regained, I draw a lot. With Chaos Space 2, if I draw in his turn with Regained into Gamma, Lambda makes it live. The other thing is, if I don't have Gamma, I would just summon IP. Yeah. Then I play 2 seal. Not 1, because I was afraid Unicorn or Diablosis will banish it. 3 is too much, you don't need it because you have Regained and Chaos Space to shuffle it back and draw a card. Then a Pisty Striker Dragon. It's just so you can send those Chaos Babies and Black Matter Dragon to the graveyard.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, I always summon Striker Dragon and never search with it, and everyone thought I had Boot Sector in my hand. So yeah, they were surprised that it was a hand trap instead of Boot Sector.
Yep.
Then for my Xyz, I played Zeus because of this package. If I get to 2 level 6 pistols, I can just summon this guy. It's LP but worse. Yeah, I know. And if I can just overlay this over this, because just any rank 6 or 5, attack, and then summon Zeus. It also does piercing, I don't know, maybe it can come up. Summon Zeus with 4 materials. So yeah, that's why I played this package, yeah.
That's nice.
But never summoned this. Shoutouts to Pesque, but yeah, never summoned this. Then the Albus package, the Albus fusions.
Very nice.
Very, very strong. I summoned this more consistently than branded decks. No, just kidding. Then from a side deck, I play 2 Kaijus. I know it sounds weird, just 2 Kaijus, but I play a lot of hand traps, and if they arise hard past me, I have this, or if they have like Addictness, I don't know, annoying monster, unaffected monster. The reason is, the dark one is because Chaos Space, I can search Lubellion if I don't have to use it. The light one is if I gave them to his side to the field and I can summon Albus somehow, I can just Super Poly Albion into Mirror Jade.
Okay.
That's my reasoning for this. And yeah, dark light, so in the graveyard they are always Bystial targets. Korikara, very strong. I mean, you guys probably watched the winner of London deck profile. It's very strong, it's amazing. The cool thing is with Bystials, you can distribute off his whole field, and Bystials, they're just one card that has 2/5 attack, so you can very easily OTK with this. And even if not, end phase, just steal his monster.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then draw, because of Drythrone, Adventure Sprite, Runic, Dark World was a thing, yeah, just because of that. Very good hand trap. Then Cosmic Cyclone. It's for the Runic matchup, for the Fountain. It's also for Labyrinth, any back row decks, but yeah. Yeah, the reason why I don't play Lightning Storm or Feather Duster over Cosmic or Twin Twister or whatever is the most of the back row decks, they always have protections, like Hugging protects, like Arachno from Traptrix protects, Heavenly Prison. So I just want to banish it and never see it again. Yeah. Then, if I went first, I sided in these cards, and Virus is absolutely fucking. It's so dumb and broken because any Bystial makes it live.
Yeah.
Just any Bystial with this, you don't just destroy all his spell or traps. You also get hand knowledge. So you always see what he draws. You see his hands, and you just destroy all his spells. And Pointer, yeah, it's just I need a one-off broken card for going first, and yeah, that's the best one.
Yeah.
So
That's crazy.
yeah, so I hope you like the deck profile.
Nice.
And,
Firat, thank you so much for the deck profile. Congrats on first place in Thalwil Regional.
Yeah,
Amazing performance.
Thanks.
And do you want to do any shout-outs?
Yeah, I want to do. Shoutouts to Team Jim for always supporting me and borrowing some cards. Also, shoutouts for Card Market for sponsoring us. And shoutouts to all my friends for always supporting me. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Firat. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening.
Thanks, you too. See you.